beloveds, how are you? Wanted to talk to you about, have you ever wanted to leave a job, but everyone else thought you're crazy to even think about it? But, at the end of the day, we're in an interdependent relationship with our paid career. Some employers kind of brainwash us into thinking that they provide everything and we should be grateful. And that is just not the case. The reality is that the employment relationship is like any other relationship. There's give and there's take. And in a good work relationship, there's this mutual understanding of good faith and fairness, appreciation, and more. And so think about it. Does your employer act in good faith? Do they show that they appreciate you? Are they fair? And this is one reason why some employers don't like unions, because unions help remind and empower employees of this interdependence. It's not one-sided. So no one can know exactly what your experience is with your job except you. People can look at you from the outside all day long, and they never know the truth about how you relate to your job, how you relate to those you work with and your boss. It may seem like you have the perfect thing going on, but they just don't know because they're not you. And so don't let others keep you from making the decision that you know you need to make. Others may have your best interest at hand and at heart, but they're not the one having to wake up and go to the workplace that we're talking about. It's you. You're the one who's doing that. You know what's really up. And so let the decision be your decision. And also, if you're afraid that you may not be able to find a better, work deal at a new employer, help is available. If you're worried that you don't have time to invest to even get started, help is out there. So don't just sit and just wish things were different. Actually do something about it. For every issue there's people out there who are willing and able to help you. You may need to invest in that, but how bad does it have to get at work? How long are you going to wait to do what you want to do? So true. There's plenty of excuses that can keep you from acting, but it's also true that there are plenty of solutions that can mitigate them and help to set you free. All right, so these are my thoughts. Please share yours below in the chat, and would love to hear from you and would love to help you if you need it. Take care. Bye-bye.